Hello, I am Garima Sharma. Today, I want to talk about a serious and often misunderstood process, the impeachment of judges in India. What does it mean? How does it work? And why does it matter for all of us? In India, judges of the highest courts, the Supreme Court and High Courts, enjoy strong job security. This protects judicial independence. Still, if a judge misbehaves or commits a grave violation involving moral wrongdoing, misconduct, or incapacity, there is a constitutional mechanism to remove them. This mechanism is called impeachment. Here is how it works. A motion must first be introduced in Parliament. A motion is a formal proposal submitted for the House to discuss and decide on. Either House, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha can begin it. At least 100 members in the Lok Sabha or 50 members in the Rajya Sabha must support the motion. Once that requirement is met, a specially constituted committee investigates the charges. The committee usually includes judges, legal experts, and parliamentarians. They examine the evidence and decide whether the allegations are valid. If the committee confirms misconduct, the motion goes for a vote in both houses of parliament. To pass, it needs a special majority. That means more than half of the total members must agree, and at least two-thirds of the members who are present and voting must also support it. Only then can a judge be removed from office. Impeachment is rare in India. Since independence, very few attempts have been made and almost none have succeeded. The bar is set very high to prevent political misuse and to preserve judicial independence. But this also means that serious allegations may not always lead to clear accountability. Why should we care? Because the judiciary protects our rights, justice, and the constitution. If judges misuse their power, accountability matters. But if impeachment becomes too easy, independence suffers. We need a balance that protects both integrity and autonomy. So, the impeachment process remains a safeguard to ensure that justice is not only delivered to the people but also delivered by those who truly uphold justice.